You sure?
There's no fucking way there's not at this point.
You ready?
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Go!
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fucking do something.
Am I doing it or are you doing
No,
it?
get in the harness.
Yeah, get in the harness. Here, hold this, hold this, hold this.
Somebody grab my phone.
Yeah, switch with him.
Okay, go.
All right, easy boys, easy boys, easy boys. Don't stall him.
Yep.
Is he pulling hard?
Yeah.
Okay. Bradley,
Want to bite this
Come
drag
here.
down the hair or what? No, down. Just a hair.
this is a real fish, brother.
Yeah.
This is a real fish.
It's in single speed. Okay. You want to get in the harness or quarter?
Like 40 times, it's all right.
Yeah, just check that drag.
This is a
Hooked up,
I brought
baby.
it down from strike.
Yeah. Yeah, he had some heat on him at the beginning.
All right. What's up?
Oh, shit. That's a real.
You got your phone, babe? Is your phone charged?
Son.
Okay.
Get it, baby. Yeah.
That's a big tiger.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Courtney's fucking got it, dude. She's a fucking champ.
Pop or stop him, baby.
All right, Courtney.
That's enough. Now, single. Then we pump it. Relax. You relax here. Hey, we need to out of that harness that you're in.
And just have it ready for the next person real quick.
That's where a lot of that weight is.
I don't know yet.
That's fine. Well, how's over there?
I'll grab him if you right here. No, I'm chilling right now. Bradley, you want some?
Man, I gotta grab walk to the other offloader. It's bigger than mine.
All I got is 6 foot 4. I'll be on the mission.
You fucking this thing up right now, son. You don't have to spaz it. Controlled, and let's go. You're getting ready to get in mono. You only got about 100 yards left.
Put it in the cart.
Relax.
Oh, you have the mono now?
And
Slow
see,
as smooth as fast, baby.
Sometimes the 2 people on this, sometimes that hurts you because that's throwing all that off level. You see how he's staying in it, staying centered, right? There's a lot going on.
There you go, Joey.
Plus the next big fish, you guys will be like, this is a lot easier.
Hey, you're about 5 yards from the knot, baby. You got him.
Got that mono knot on there?
Ain't a lot of mono on this reel. He's about here. Hey, Bradley, you got the rope?
Stay relaxed.
Yeah. Courtney's got it.
Yeah. Hey, we're about the...
Is it already knotted, Bradley? Is it already knotted?
Yeah, it comes to one.
Okay. Just making sure it has a slip in it. Is Dean on FaceTime?
You sure you don't want to take this? I'll swap with you. I'll hop in just a minute. All right. Hey, Bogan. Hey, buddy. I love you.
Your ride's getting shit on.
You got enough to finish it? All right.
Go ahead.
baby.
You got enough to finish it? You're coming with me.
Hey, Joey.
You're good for now. Sit down with
It's gonna be a big ass pinfish, man. I believe in you.
Who's got rope?
Already tied.
Wait a minute, do we have another spotlight? Hey, I need a...
You need both.
What do you need me to do?
I need you to have the spotlight. There's a bunch of people videoing right now. You can still video, but when it comes time, you need to listen to me. Because I can you taking a video? Raise my voice.
Yeah, I got his video.
And you'll be all right. I won't. But
Yeah. I'll give you $5. You shotgun one right now. I don't think he's got enough hands for that. He's like, I ain't want to pick my hands up. No, he don't drink.
somebody want to hit me a punch. This is a different story.
That's exactly right.
No.
Stay on him.
We're good. We're good. Oh my gosh. Hurts! You see him in that wave?
No.
Holy shit. Right where that line's at. He's going this way. This is a big shark.
I don't see him.
Huge. Son. You want a swap chain?
No.
You got him?
Oh, damn. Damn, that is a big shark.
Cameron? Put the drag up a little bit.
Pump the drag up. Wait, now! Wait!
I'm fine. All right.
Hurry up! Quick fix of the boys! Hey! Go, get up!